In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Veja discount promo codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser, and right here you have to search for Veja discount promo code. Here, go to this website which is called WordPenny, and as you can see, we have a list with some promo codes that we can use to get some discounts. So let's say, for example, that you want to get this 25% discount of your first order. Tap right here where it says show code. And this is the promo code right here. You can tap on this button to copy the promo code, and you can use this one so that you can get a 25% discount of your first order. Also, going back to the main search, we have this website which is called With, and here we have a list with other promo codes that you can see that we can use to get some benefits and discounts. So let's say that you want to get this one with a 10% discount right here. Select the button where it says copy code, and this is the promo code right here. So you can just select and copy this promo code, and you can apply this one on your next order so that you can get the 10% discount. So this is pretty much all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.